And in sports, Linthoi Chanambam scripted history at the Berlin Junior European Cup 2025, becoming the first Indian judoka to win gold at the prestigious tournament. The 18-year-old judoka from Manipur won the gold in the 63 kg category. Competing against 618 athletes from 37 countries, Linthoi delivered a standout performance for Team Inspire Institute of Sport, outsmarting her opponents including top-seeded Polish judoka. Linthoi's success in Berlin adds to her list of success, including gold medals at the 2022 Asian Cadet and Junior Championships in Bangkok. She first rose to national prominence with titles at the 2018 Sub-Junior Nationals and 2021 Senior Nationals in Chandigarh. Linthoi Chanambam hails from Imphal and has been training under Georgian coach Mamuka Kizilashvili since 2017. Meanwhile, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and ex-Chief Minister N. Biren have congratulated Linthoi Chanambam on her success in Berlin Junior European Cup 2025. Governor in a post on X wrote that the achievement will inspire many more young sportspersons of Manipur to excel on global stage. On the other hand, N. Biren asserted that the remarkable achievement has once again brought immense pride and joy to Manipur and entire nation.